My philosophical point of view is I believe in education, creativity and peace, but fundamentally it's those three things I think are very important. Art, design, finding solutions, spreading peace, spreading love, that is fundamental. We should live our lives without being greedy, with helping other people, and teaching people, and doing it through beauty. That's my point of view. I always feel it's good to look up, because if your point of view is from below, your ego is smaller. Xin chào Vietnam, very happy to be here. My name is Professor Xavier Pic and I'm privileged to work in the International Department of Arts University Bournemouth and delighted to be supporting Vietnamese students. I'm a professor of art design and drawing and illustration, and I'm super excited to be here in Hanoi to help amazing talented Vietnamese students. We are honoured to partner with ISC-Education for this fantastic workshop with students here in Hanoi. At Arts University Bournemouth, we pride ourselves in having some fantastic scholarship opportunities for students from Vietnam. The prices range from anything from £2,000 to £5,000 a year, and especially early bird discount waivers as well. So please reach out to me and my colleagues and show us your portfolio, because you might be eligible for a big reduction in school fees in the UK. Come on everybody for joining us at this workshop today. I do hope you get in contact with ISC-Education and talk more to them about your work, your creativity, for that dream opportunity to study in the UK.